Here's a comparison of the different HDR modes on the Gigabyte F032U2 monitor. It's a 4K, 240 Hertz QD-OLED display. Right now we are in the most accurate HDR picture preset, which is HDR. Fortunately, it tops out at about 482 nits. If we go to HDR game, you can see immediately the highlights are much brighter. Just to show you the difference here. Right, this is 1,000 nits of brightness. And this is 482 nits of brightness. Now, the character on my screen looks blown out because it's so bright, but if I fix the white balance on my phone, you can see all the details are still there. We'll cycle through some of the other HDR settings for those that are curious to see it. This is basically True Black 400. This is 1,000 nits. All the other picture presets outside of HDR game are going to give you, you're going to top out at basically close to 500 nits, with the exception of HDR Vivid, which is also one of the brighter modes. We'll just go back to HDR. Play the game a little bit here just so you can get an idea of the level of highlights. It's a little bit tough to do with one hand. So I'm going to switch the mode again. We're going to go to the 1,000 nit peak mode. See how these look. And again, it doesn't look blown out in real life. It just looks blown out because it's so bright. My camera can't capture 1,000 nits coming off the screen. All the details still there in my view. Go back to the standard HDR setting. There you go. Hopefully that's helpful. But again, my preference is HDR game for every day of the week. I prefer that picture preset.